Hello students, today in this video I am going to describe present continuous tense to you. In my earlier video I have described present indefinite tense to you. So now we are going to discuss present continuous tense. Do you know what is continuous tense? It is the thing that we do continuously in present time. Okay, like suppose I am saying she is studying in her room. It means she is continuously doing the work of study. Okay, and in Hindi sentence the last words of the sentence become रहा है, रही है और रहे हैं. Okay, so now we start present continuous tense. First of all, the idea I have told you, when someone does any work in continuous manner, that is called present continuous tense. And in affirmative sentences, first of all we use subject, then is, are or am, then verb, and verb in ing form. Okay, present participle, and after that object. Okay, and for is we use with he, she, it, and singular person, means name of one person, and he, she, and it. Then are is used with we, you, they, and more than one person. And am is used with I only. Okay, I am doing my work. So we can say in affirmative sentences we have to use subject, after that is or are or am, then verb in ing form, and at last object. For example, I am doing my work properly. Now in negative sentences we use not also. Okay, the remaining rule becomes same, but only we use not also. Like subject plus is, are or am plus not plus verb with ing plus object. Okay, for example, she is not doing her work. Okay, now we come to interrogative sentences. As I have already told you, there are two types of interrogative sentences. First, helping verb type, and second, WH type. So first of all, we are going to discuss the sentences with helping verb. Okay, so in helping verb type, first of all we use is, are or am, anything, anyone. Then we use subject. Okay, we replace the places of helping verb and subject. In place of subject we write helping verb, and in place of helping verb we write subject. After that verb with ing, and then object. For example, in Hindi the sentence is क्या वह अपना कार्य कर रही है, and we will translate it like is she doing her work. Okay, in this sentence we have used is first. She is singular pronoun, that's why we have used is. After that she is subject, doing is verb with ing, and her work is object. Then WH type. There is no difference between helping verb type and WH type? Only we have to use WH word before helping verb. Okay, first of all we use helping verb. First of all we use WH word and then SRM, anyone, and then verb with ing and at last object. For example, why is she quarreling with her? ओके, वह उसके साथ झगड़ा क्यों कर रहा है? Why is he quarreling with her or him? We can use any. I hope you have understood. And now we come to present perfect tense.